We'll guide you through how to add texts in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're in the Edit page, which you can find by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, look to the top left of your screen and click on the Effects library if it's not already open. Here, you'll see a variety of options. You need to click on Titles under the Toolbox section. This will display different text options you can use. For basic text, you can choose Text or Text Plus, depending on how advanced you want your text effects to be. Drag the Text or Text Plus option down onto your timeline where you want the text to appear. Once it's on your timeline, click on the text clip to select it, and then go to the Inspector panel on the top right. In the Inspector panel, you can type your text into the text box, and you'll see it update in the preview window. Here, you can also adjust the font, size, color, and position of your text to fit your needs. If you selected Text Plus, you'll have additional options like adding shadows, strokes, or even animations to make your text more dynamic. Once you're happy with the look, play through the timeline to ensure the text appears as you want it. This method allows you to add titles, lower thirds, or any text overlay you might need for your project. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.